To me, manufacturing is taking someone's idea and making a product out of it. What I really find interesting about manufacturing is a company's ability to take that idea and actually make a product out of it and come up with a unique way of making that. Consumers, sometimes when you see an item out there, you might think it's a very simple item, but in the background, the manufacturing end of it, it's very complex, and there's a lot of different processes that may take place. And that's really what's special about manufacturing, and I get to see that every day in my job. Manufacturing, it helps support the communities, it helps enhance the area, make it a better place to live. It also improves people's lives with salaries. It makes it better. I believe everything around us that makes our life better is enhanced and enabled by manufacturing in some way.